What Conservancy is doing today, I think, is what I would call essential. Lancaster County is booming, and the Conservancy is providing a balance to that.
So I read a statistic online by 2040, there's going to be like over 600 and 1,400,000 people within Lancaster County. That's overwhelming. When you start to look at the land we protected, it's still not enough.
Being part of the natural world, I don't understand it completely, but we are. There's a serenity in here, there's a peacefulness. Stress drifts away. We're part of the natural world, stress drifts away.
Eastern Lancaster County could have well ended up being in the hands of the private sector, be developed into housing or something else. And this way it remains open land, it remains land available to all the general public.
What we protect now is here forever. At least I know that someday my children are going to have the opportunity to come to great preserves.
You got to save it now, because tomorrow, first thing, tomorrow never comes, and tomorrow's going to be too late. A lot of this isn't going to be here and be available.
In land protection, you really have to be tenacious, because the other parties that are involved in trying to acquire that land and utilize it, they're going to be tenacious.
The more people you can get, but you have to have energetic people. You can't have people that just sit back. You can't have someone saying, no, that can't be done. Don't tell me it can't be done, tell me how it can be done. That's basically what I like to hear.
Isn't this spectacular? Gosh.